In today's video, I am going to show you how to verify a phone number in Twilio so you can confidently use it for calls, texts, and other services. If this helps you at any point, tap the like button. It really supports the channel. Let's get started. First, log into your Twilio Console using your correct account credentials. If you're new to Twilio, make sure your email verification is completed so you can access everything inside the dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the left side of the screen and find the Accounts section. Inside there, select Verified Caller IDs. This is where you will manage the numbers that Twilio allows you to use for outbound communications. To add a new number, click the option to add a new caller ID. You will now be asked to enter your phone number in E164 format. That means include the country code at the beginning with a plus sign and no dashes or spaces. For example, plus and then the digits directly. After entering the number correctly, click Verify Number. Twilio will immediately send an automated phone call to the number you provided. Answer the call. Listen carefully and note the verification code they give you. Enter that code when prompted to complete the verification. Once the code is accepted, your number is officially verified and will appear in your verified caller ID list. From there, you can start using it with Twilio services right away. And that's all it takes. Quick, simple, and secure. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to subscribe for more Twilio and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.